welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making crispy chicken. Ooh, yummy. So before we get right into this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, so for this crispy chicken we'll be needing chicken, of course. So to season this chicken we'll be needing 3 cubes of seasoning cubes. You can use seasoning powder if you have. That should be one teaspoon of seasoning powder. And I just added half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of basil leaf, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, and this is 2 teaspoons of pepper, grounded pepper, like powdered pepper. You can add paprika if you have that. So I just added half teaspoon of Suya spice, just give it a little spice, you know, and that's quarter teaspoon of salt. So you mix them all together and pour each and every seasoning into the chicken. Then you mix properly into the chicken so it can get into the chicken like properly. I prefer to use my hand just to make it get into the chicken properly. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. You mix that in properly too. Then you cover it up and let it marinate. I actually let this marinate, like I let it sit for 24 hours, no, 12 hours I guess, but overnight. Let me just say overnight. I did this at night, so that's how it looks like the next day. So the next thing you'll be doing is dipping in your seasoned chicken into flour. Make sure your flour is sieved before you use. So you dip that in properly, make sure it's properly coated with the flour, and afterwards you dip it into hot cooking oil. At this point I was already heating my cooking oil. As you can see, it's already hot, like so hot, but you don't want it to be too hot because you don't want your chicken to get too brownish. So you fry that for a couple of minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes, so it didn't really take too long. So this is how it looks like. Then you take it out, and that's all. This cooking thing is easy. So yeah, voila, this is our final look. That side sauce is made with ketchup, mayonnaise, and powdered pepper. You should try it, it's really nice. So we've come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for viewing my previous videos, this video, and all my single videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.